Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Z Face. I am back with another video. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys makeup brushes for every beginner. You don't need like too many brushes to get a good face beat, right? So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the main and exact brushes that you need to get any good face beat. So the first brush we're starting with is this small brush. I normally call it the concealer brush. I use this brush to define the under part of my brows and the top of my brows. You can also use this brush to clean up any messy stuff you've done, like to clean up your lipstick. Maybe you've applied your lipstick and it goes beyond your lips. You just use this brush to just clean that all up, or you can also use this brush to just apply your orange corrector, like to just apply things on specific areas. Then you can further use this brush to blend out your concealer. You don't want your concealer looking like that. So guys, we're going to be doing a neutral look since it is a video for beginners. So we're just going to do a simple sweet neutral glam. So I'm going ahead to apply my primer. I'm using my Pond's primer. You guys know I always use the Pond's primer, like it's perfect for oily skin. Then I'm going ahead to apply my foundation, and the next brush I'm using is this foundation brush. The brush is actually very bristle and its fibers are so close to each other. If you try to move the brush with your hand, you see that the fibers are coming closer to each other. Like, I don't know if you guys can understand. And then I'm just going to use my hands to spread my foundation on my face first. Then I'm going ahead to use this brush to just blend in everything. This brush really helps so much in blending in your foundation, blending in any harsh lines you have on your face. Then after that, I go ahead to apply my concealer. For today's concealer, I'm using my Elegant Pro concealer in the shade Fun. You can as well use your concealer brush to do this application, but I prefer using my concealer itself since it's so precise. So it helps me to apply my concealer pretty well. So going ahead with my beauty blender, I'm just going to blend in everything. Like, you guys know the routine. So after doing all of that, I'm going into my NYX liquid contour, and I'm using this flat angle brush to just apply that under my cheekbones and on my nose. On my nose. This brush really helps beginners to be able to know where exactly you're supposed to do your contour. As you guys can see me in the video, the brush is actually, it's like the brush was made for this, guys. So I'm going ahead to contour my cheekbones, my forehead, and my nose, just contouring all the areas that I always contour. Then to set my face, I'm going to be using this flat brush from Zoeva. Please guys, just look at your screen. I'm going to write the name of all the brushes on the screen. I'm so sorry I couldn't mention them. So this brush really helps your setting powder to sit in properly. I normally always use my beauty blender to just set my face. Like, to use my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, I use my beauty blender. I feel like my beauty blender works more, but you can also use the brush. The brush and the beauty blender works perfectly well. Whichever one works for you, you can just go ahead and use it. Then to contour my face, I'm using my Warm Heart Compact Powder in the shade Chestnut. And I'm using the same brush that I used to contour my face with the liquid contour to just go in on my face again and set my liquid contour. So it's just the same process, guys. Then to clean up the excess powder on my face, I'm going in with this loose fiber brush. I don't know exactly where I got this brush from, but I'm just going to leave everything in the description box, guys. So this brush actually helps, due to the nature of the fiber, the brush actually helps to blend in any powder you apply on your face pretty well. So that's basically what I'm doing. I'm just dusting off the excess powder that I have on my face. Then also I use the same brush, the loose fiber brush exactly, to apply my blush on my face, on my cheeks. So guys, this brush is actually really good because it has so many purposes. Like, this is the second time I'm using it for a different purpose. So I think beginners, you don't need too many brushes, like start confusing yourself. You just need the exact brushes. Then for my highlighter, I have two brushes. I have this small fan brush and the big fan brush. The fibers of this brush are actually spread, they actually spread like a fan. It helps a beginner to be able to apply your highlighter or your bronzer easily on your cheekbones, your eyebrow, your nose, your chin, your cupid bows, you know. Next, I'm going into my loose fiber brush again, and I'm just applying my powder onto my eyes. I told you guys we're doing a soft glam look today. We're not going to be doing anything harsh. Then for my eyeshadow, I'm using this fluffy brush. This brush helps you to blend in whatever color you use on your eyeshadow or whatever product you use on your eyes. It just helps to blend in perfectly well. So I went in with my contour powder and I just decided to contour my eyes a little bit, you know, to give it some definition. Then after doing all of that, I'm going back into my concealer brush and I'm just applying my highlighter under my brow bone area. Like, this brush also helps you apply things on specific areas easily. You cannot use a big brush to apply that. Then I'm going back in with my eyeshadow brush to just blend in the highlights. Like, it was looking so harsh and I didn't want that, so I just blended in everything well. Then I'm applying some highlighter using my concealer brush onto my inner tear duct, using my mascara to define my lashes, and then I'll be using my natural lashes. They are so natural. I'm going to put the name of the lashes that I use in this video in the description box down below, so please make sure you check it out. The next, I'm going into my metallized Profusion lipstick. I got this lipstick from Busy Makeover. Like, the lipstick is so beautiful. That's how it looks. Then next, I'm going into my S Bunny metallized gloss. Like, this is a Cabarro brand and the lip gloss is very beautiful. And then I'm going into my Makeup Fix Karité spray to just spray that all over my face. And that's it for this video, guys. That's it. If you found this video helpful, if you liked this video, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I do an upload. See you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.